Alright, so we're gonna, Paul just got back from O'Reilly's, we're gonna slap in a new clutch master and slave and bleed it, and then we'll probably turn it on and just make sure that it moves back and forth. We can't drive it because he doesn't have his laptop, so we can't like read all the fundamentals and shit. So, but yeah, let's get this thing slapped in there. Alright, so we put the new clutch in, bled it. We're going to see whether when she starts and if she moves. I tried putting, he's got like an oil feed thing. I tried putting it in. But we don't have a pair of these. Yep, they're just falling apart. But I ain't got one of those that goes wide enough to spread these ones. So we ended up having to... I guess, we're pretty much just going to have to get a different one because this is going from this MPT to the AN4 or whatever. I think it's AN4. So, well, yeah, so now let's start it up, see if she moves forward and back. Whether Paul screwed the pooch or not. Oh, we're probably going to, like, die. I'll stay out here. Good luck, bud. At least the air is fresh out here. Nope, doesn't. Well, what the hell? Oh, so we gotta bleed it again. Yeah, it's hazy in here.
We're going at 12.9. So it's a little rich.
She's a little rich. But, yeah, so...
Open the window! Open the door!
I'm by the door.
Jesus.
Air's great. But yeah, so, now we gotta figure out why the clutch isn't disengaging or whatever.
Maybe we have to adjust it still.
Shouldn't have to. I don't know. Unless we, like, fucked up something on, like, the clutch fork or something. But I doubt it.
How did we do that? We didn't even mess with any of that.
Yeah, you did. We put a new one on.
You mean the seal?
When your clutch actuates, it's got that fork. The pilot, not the pilot bearing, the other one. There's another bearing or whatever that you replace. Like the throw-out bearing, I think it is, or something like that.
Oh.
So, yeah. So, yeah, so what do we want to try and do now? Try and bleed it again, or what? It wasn't grabbing at all?
No, I tried everything.
What the fuck? It makes no sense. I don't understand. Why is it not? I don't know why it would not be working. Swear to God, if we had the closed motor out, it's gonna suck.
Maybe I'll take the transmission off without doing that. gonna suck putting it back in though.
Well, you gotta pull the drive shaft off if you want to drop the trans without moving the motor.
Yeah. Means you gotta like mess with the back too then.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess with this. I already filled out this.
I don't understand why your clutch should be working. Doesn't make any fucking sense. I don't get it. It should be fucking working, but because if I don't know, because you should have more than enough clutch travel because the pedal's firm for a long ways.
It's not that firm.
Yeah, unless did you have the jar on there?
No.
I'd probably try that because when you unloosen that bleeder screw, that can allow oxygen or like bubbles back in.
You can try it.
So. Yep, I guess we're going to try again here. All right, now we're going to try again. Oh, we should probably close the passenger side door. But yeah, so we readjusted the pedal, re-bled.
Jesus, that's a lot more play.
So hopefully we can dream a little dream. I'm going to stand outside here in the fresh air. Nope. We are fooked, is how they would say that. It's changing gears, right? I don't know.
It must be something in the transmission.
I think it's something to do with your clutch.
Yeah, probably.
Because we should be able to hear it trying to catch.
We probably put it on wrong or something.
There's no way to fuck that one up. Because it says torch flywheel right on it. The only one that I could think is fucked up is your throwout bearing.
Yeah. Probably not on there right or something.
Well, this is a sad, sad video. Nothing but sad videos lately, dude.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Too far. But yeah.
I'll turn the car back up.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably only about like 3 more minutes and we'll be dead. Because it is blue as fuck in here. So, but yeah, that's going to be it for this one. So, because unfortunately we don't know what the fuck it is. Pretty much we're going to end up having to pull the motor again. Or either pull the motor and trans, or we're going to have to pull the drive shaft and the trans. So, Paul has to make that life decision.
Probably the rear end.
So, probably, because we got a lot of, the intake and everything is on there now. So that would really suck. So, yeah. This sucks dick. But, yeah, so now we're going to have to pull the trans and everything off of here, and hopefully we can figure out what the fucking issue was. So, that's going to be it for this one. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Just kidding, we're not ending the video yet. I have an idea. We're going to try blocking off the slave clutch thing, whatever it's called. The clutch slave cylinder, whatever. So we're going to try that method. Alright, we don't have high hopes, but we're going to try and see if it starts. If this doesn't work, we're done. This is the final one because this is annoying. We're gonna have to figure out what the fuck it is. Probably we're gonna have to pull the trans, I guess. So. Nope, nothing. Well, this is fucking gay. So yeah, it looks like, other than that fucking gunshot, that was interesting. But yeah, so this kind of sucks dick.
Gotta be the transmission, because you can shift it without it going into gear. Without the clutch or nothing?
Yeah, but you should be able to shift a transmission into gear when it's not running.
Yeah, I mean, I can shift it in any gear when it's running right now, without hitting the clutch.
Put it in first and try and start it. Don't just hit the starter.
You want to hear a gunshot?
Well, don't run it. Just hit the starter. Yep, something's not right. Because it should jolt forward. That makes no fucking sense.
What I've always wanted to do is take out the back of the car now.
What? That makes... What? Why does it not jolt forward when you're in first? That makes no fucking sense. Probably means we just replaced your master and slave for nothing, too. Well, I guess they're new. Kind of recommend it anyhow because we got a bigger fucking clutch. But, yeah. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this one for fucking sure this time. So looks like next time or near soon. Yeah, $5 is their best offer. But yeah, so yeah, this really fucking sucks. That's going to be it for this one. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.